Raisins are prepared with the process of drying the different types of grapes either in the sun or in dryers. During the process of drying with both means, it turns into golden, green, or black in color. The nutritional value it preserves while drying are considered as the boon for many diseases. Generally sweet and juicy in taste, the dry fruit is a healthier alternative for the sugar-rich candies for the people with sweet tongue. It is a storehouse of all the vital nutrients and has most health benefits to keep you fit and fine. Consuming raisins on a daily basis helps you to maintain good weight, aids in constipation, gives you younger-looking skin, reduce acidity, treats infections, and are good for the eyes. High in potassium, iron, vitamin B6, magnesium, calcium, vitamin K, etc. It provides amazing benefits to the hair, body, and skin. Raisins for skin. The superfood has the potent nutrients to repair the skin damages while guarding the cells from inside and keep the damage at the bay. Packed with the antioxidants, it prevents free radicals from the cell damage and enhances the elasticity of the skin. It is the best at delaying the signs of aging and erases the fine lines, wrinkles, and marks of blemishes. The antioxidants also boost up the speed of repairing the cell damage, prevent the skin from sagging. Raisins for hair. The tiny gems are loaded with the vital nutrients to give your hair a good health and provide extra nourishment. The handful of raisins is full of iron and gives you healthy-looking strands while maintaining the natural color of the hair. The enough amount of vitamin C in the raisins strengthens the blood vessels and prevents the formation of dandruff on the scalp through reducing the itchiness to a great extent. Raisins for fighting with diseases. The sweet and sticky dry fruit improves the overall oral hygiene of a person while reversing the cavities and prevents the tooth from decaying. It has one of the 5 phytochemicals that is known for inhibiting the growth of oral bacteria in mouth. Digestive aid is another benefit of raisins, as the highly fibrous fruit helps to keep the things moving through the intestinal tract while reducing constipation and bathroom issues like diarrhea. The dry fruit is high in calories but also have high amount of fiber to give you amazing surprises of raisins.